Magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi sa inyong lahat dyan. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Hello everyone. I would like to welcome everyone. Happy Abundant Tuesday. It's a powerful reminder that abundance flows where intentions goes. Kaya I'm so glad that you are here watching this video. Yung presence niyo po ngayon sa mga nanonood ng video na ito is a sign that you are open to more growth, more opportunity, more income, and more impact. Kaya itong space na ito, sa video na ito, let this be a space, a magnet for prosperity. At sana lahat po ng madidiscuss natin dito, it will ignite you to something, di ba? I hope, maybe I believe, maybe a decision, or maybe something that will change or move your life forward. Kaya welcome everyone. Congratulations na nanood ka ng video na ito. At hindi ko sasayangin ang oras ninyo. Dahil ngayong araw na ito ay pag-uusapan natin is not only an opportunity, it is something, a game changer that will change your life forever. O, diba? Ayan, so again, welcome everyone. So, hindi ko na patatagalin. I would like to start the presentation right here and right now. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, I hope you are seeing my screen na. Let me start with the first slide, which is a picture of a baby. Very contagious ang kanyang smile. That ibig sabihin that suggests na kayo ay ngumiti. Alam nyo kasi guys, it's so nice to have the feeling of yung nag-smile ka kasi it will trick your brain to prosperity. And alam naman natin when we are positive, well, we attract more blessings. Kaya everyone, smile, and of course, the world will smile with you. Okay, and before I go further, meron lang po tayong disclaimer. Ngayon, disclaimer, the information provided in the presentation does not constitute investment, advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should treat any content as such. Nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold a cryptocurrency. It is unethical for a member or an affiliate in this opportunity to persuade anyone to make a payment promising benefits from getting others to join. Do not be misled by claims that high earnings are easy to achieve. We are not an investment company. And malinaw po yan, we will not be talking about investment sa presentation na to. So sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, konting pakilala lang po. Although na ang iba dito ay kilala na ako. Dadaanan lang natin. Ako po si Jeanette Clem. Ako Shara Harris na Jean RG buong pangalan mula nung dalaga pa ako. Currently, based here in England, United Kingdom, UK. I am an affiliate member at Live Good and Silver rank po. And ang gusto ko lang palagi naririnig ay yung mga positibong bagay. Mga positibong bagay lang at ayaw ko ng mga negatibong bagay. Palagi ako nakatingin sa mga positibong mangyayari at mga solusyon sa problema. At hindi dun sa mga mas lalo pang na magpapabigat sa mga problema. Kaya manatiling positibo sa buhay para mas magaan at masaya ang pamumuhay. And I would like to represent myself as an entrepreneur, full-time mom mula nang maging mommy and family-oriented. So today, ginawa ko tong video na to and this presentation is brought to you by Live Good. That's the company and our mission is to help our affiliates members reach their full potential rank up to diamond and attain time at financial freedom. So today, I will be covering 3 parts sa presentation natin, which is the 3 relevant factors na kailangan natin at very important when we join a company, the profile of the company, the products, and the compensation plan. Plus, meron tayong 2 bonus na kailangan i-consider natin. Also, the timing, which is this company is in the right time. And of course, they are in the right place. And also the sport. You will be expecting that this community is giving you a lot of support from the beginning on the process until you get your success. So may I please introduce our corporate team. Ito na yung profile ng company natin. We have our CEO or Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Ben Glinsky. The brainchild of the company ng ating company na Live Good. With over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful company in the nutritional supplement industry. And he knows how to help people win. Bukod pa dyan, meron siyang background. Not only as a business owner, he is also a master of the compensation plan and an IT. So rest assured that yung compensation plan natin is actually a win-win. Win-win para sa distributors and at the same time sa company. We also have Noder Gasan, ang BFF ni Ben Glinsky, at kapag pinag-combine na actually yung experience nila, roughly mga 50 years ang experiences po nila. And Noder Gasan is a legend in the network marketing. He trained with a lot of people. He coached and helped thousands of people, do better, achieve more than they thought they could ever do. And alam nyo po ba na si Noder Gasan in everyday nasa 12 to 15 Zooms yan just to help our affiliates. And on board, we also have Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the Director of Product Development. Meron siyang doctorate degree in pharmacy and he has a unique background being a pharmacist and at the same time a natural health practitioner. So maganda. Advantage yan because he has that background. Yung mga pinoformulate niya ng mga products natin. Because he is the formulator of our company, he is merong synergy, alam niya kung alin yung mga ingredients na nagko-combine and in fact, very thorough siya and very detailed when it comes to combining the ingredients na mga products. Sa pagiging thorough niya and detailed, kilala niya mga farmers. Alam niya kung saan ini-extract and it makes sure na malinis yung mga product natin. Because sabi niya, I formulated the products for my family to use and I am sharing it with the world. Also, nandito yung asawa niya si Miss Lisa Goodkin, the Director of Product Education. If you think of health, of wellness, of healthy lifestyle, Lisa is the go-to person. Maganda because she has a master's degree in exercise physiology, also a degree in science and nutrition, and over 20 years of experience. So pagdating sa experience, itong mag-asawa pong ito, hindi na rin bago, like meron silang health clinic. And si Lisa, very responsive yan. If you want to know about healthy living, if you want to ano dapat ipasok o kainin, ano dapat yung diet mo, very responsive siya. So with this kind of leadership, we could say that true leadership creates true success. We have a very transparent fashion, driven, vision-oriented. Not this a corporate. This is a corporate team that will also lead us to the success of our business. And yan ang company natin. Again, uulitin ko, the name of our company is Live Good. A company is making remarkable strides because of a blend of health and entrepreneurial opportunities. Ano ba yan? Jeanette, Nadia, and RJ. Okay, explain natin. Our company is based in US, located in Jupiter, Florida. It globally launched noong December 2022. So, magti 3 years na po siya and it is available in more than 200 countries. So imagine, kala-launch lang niya, open na kaagad. And more than 200 countries, that is epic. Ito na po yung ating fulfillment center. We have one in Florida, USA. Yan ang first distribution of fulfillment center natin. And we also have the second distribution or fulfillment center na located naman sa Germany. And aside from that, ang ating mga products talaga ay hindi matatawaran. It is made in the USA. Alam naman po natin that when products are made in the USA, high quality yan. At sumusunod talagang compliance sa standard and safety regulations. In fact, meron tayong GMP. GMP certification, it made sure na yung mga product natin have these components overqualified na mga tao. Also, laboratories na malinis at products that is made sure na malinis din ang pagkaka-extract at yung processes at yung procedures. Well documented siya. We also have sanitation foundation, quality seal. It made sure na malinis yung ating mga products. And we are USDA organic certified tayo with the United States Department of Agriculture. It made sure that ang farming natin is organic, walang herbicides, walang pesticides, and no contaminants. Also, another bentahe natin is the certificate of analysis na meron tayong mga third-party laboratories na yung mga laboratories po na yan ay tinest po yung mga products natin, yung mga level claims natin, pinapatotoo na mga test na yan that they are rapid. Okay, so tested for purity and potency, and yung mga ingredients na yan, kung ilan yung amount, ilan yung percentage at yung mga ingredients. Nandyan talaga yan. So that means that we are in full transparency, and we could say that we have this proprietary blend. Wala tayo nung hinahide natin yung ingredients because the CEO believes na it is better to be transparent and to be honest that we have the highest quality at the lowest price. And alam nyo po, itong mga laboratories na ito are accredited by the American Association for Laboratories. So, itong mga laboratories na ito ay independent. So, itong mga laboratories na ito ay independent po. That means na outside po ng laboratory natin to make sure na yung mga products natin will meet yung need ng consumer. O yung mga magti-take, okay? So, very simple lang. Ang mission natin to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Gone are the days na sinasabi natin na mahirap magpaka-healthy because with Live Good, we made sure na mayroon kayong accessibility of the products with the highest quality at the lowest price without breaking your bank. Okay, and here are the Live Good products with unmatched quality. We have 40 products na ngayon. Kasama or even more, kasama yung ating swags and accessories. And we could buy the products individually or in bundle. We have some bundle packages. Merong essential pack, meron lean body packs, and ang most popular actually is the International Wellness Pack na 6 kinds na products yan. They are the essential products. Ibig sabihin, kapag essentials, kailangan na kailangan natin yan. And the good news about the International Wellness Pack na bundle is discounted siya and free shipping. Yes, you heard it right. Free shipping po siya, and ito pang good news. Meron tayong 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee in the event na hindi mo nagustuhan yung product or feeling mo hindi tumalab sa'yo. Nako, okay lang yan na i-refund ni Live Good for as long as na ibalik nyo yung empty bottle. Bakit? Kasi sabi niya, we don't want to take your products kung hindi naman tumatalab sa iyo. So imagine, no, dito nga one more to prove that we have a highest quality at the lowest price. Ayan. Magpa-price compare tayo ngayon. And look at this, we have 4 products here on the slide plus another products from other companies just to prove to you. Now we are saving a lot. So, we have the first product ng company natin. Look at their first product. We have the Ultra Magnesium Complex, which is responsible for 300 chemical reactions in the body. Kung merong disbalance or hindi balanse sa katawan mo, ay probably deficient ka sa magnesium. At magnesium natin, magkano best value? $8.95. And when you compare that sa ating competitor or other brands ng ibang company, Sa kanila is $30 and $35 respectively. That means we are saving 70% and 74%. Ano ibig sabihin yan? A dollar save is a dollar, and why do we have this kalaking saving? It is because bari lang ang profit natin and we don't overprice our products. Sinabi ng CEO natin na usually ang isang product nagkukos ng 8 to 12, but pag pinasok mo na sa isang company, especially sa MLM or multi-level marketing, nag-overprice sila ng 10 to 12 times, but not with Live Good. Kaya makikita nyo, wag ho kayong magtaka. Kahit po ganyan ang presyo natin, well, we still have the highest quality. Yan ay because our price, our profit are very lean. Second product that we have bukod sa magnesium, we have the Factor 4 with 4 important ingredients. Itong product na ito ay anti-inflammatory, 4 important ingredients na kailangan natin, and we know that inflammation is the root cause of all diseases. So, binibili natin yung 4 na ingredients niyan. Usually, garlic, turmeric, fish oil, CoQ10, but here nakalagay siya, compact in one product for only $18.50. This is actually our top seller product compared sa dalawang products ng ibang company, $56 and $58.42, a saving of 66 and 68%. That's huge uli. Another product, the Sulfur Greens, very powerful po ito for our overall well-being and our gut support. Compact din siya sa greens, isipin mo lahat ng greens na alam mo. Moringa or malunggay, which is the miracle plant. Spirulina, which is the natural antibiotic. Ano pa? Dandelion, wheatgrass, barley, and so on and so forth. Actually, there are 21 greens dyan for only $18. And look at the price ng competitors, $69.99 and $99.99 roughly, a savings of 74 hanggang 81% pag kinumpara mo sa competitor. And the fourth product that we have is the Super Reds. For only $18, this is good for our heart health. So, maganda ito sa mga taong may puso. Sino nga ba ang taong walang puso, di ba? And this is also good for the sexual health, and this is also good for brain health. Napaka-importante po nito because as we age, na-deplete na rin yung ating nitric oxide, okay? And pag kinumpara natin ulit sa competitor natin, you are saving 74 and 54%. Okay, so ano ang message natin dito? We really have value. Value ng ating mga products, and that's what make Live Good disruptive. Disruptive is a way na it cannot change, and talagang once you see this product, you cannot unsee it, okay? So, ano nga ba si Live Good? Ano ba ang model niya? Well, it is actually a membership club and subscription. Membership club in the sense na we get benefits and discounts. So, mga products natin. At the same time, it is also powered by subscription because of the monthly recurring or the yearly recurring charge. Well, actually, masasabi natin that Live Good is a membership club powered by subscription. And if you talk about subscription, I'm pretty sure familiar kayo sa makikita nyo dito sa slide, from Netflix to Spotify and Disney Plus and so on and so forth. And ngayon, nagta-thrive ang ganitong business. Ngayon nagtatribe ang ganitong business subscription dahil nakita na ng mga business owners na ang tao ngayon, ang behavior ng marketplace is moving away from expensive products and moving towards affordability and value. And yun ang nakita din ni Ben Glinsky and Nader Ghazan. That is why we adopt this model. And ano nga ba ang subscription or membership model? Magsasample tayo. If you will see Dito sa ating slide, these are the companies now powered by subscription. Either you pay monthly or yearly. In exchange of what? In exchange of product or services or exclusivities or maybe some previous. From SNR to Landers to Gold Gym, Fitness First, Amazon Prime, Netflix, and Costco. Sample tayo sa Netflix which is, I'm pretty sure, familiar kayo dyan. Dahil monthly nagsusubscribe kayo and naging famous Netflix during the time of pandemic. Dahil hindi tayo pwedeng lumabas, hindi ba? So, naging popular siya. Dinisrupt niya ang cinema and even after pandemic, namamayagpag pa rin siya. And nakita nyo, binabayaran natin ng $9.99 per month. And ilan si Netflix ngayon? Netflix has 282 million subscribers with 37 billion revenue, $37 billion noong 2024 plus a net profit of $7.7 billion. That is as of September 2024 pa. Si Costco meron 132 million members with 79 million paid members plus revenue niya $4.8 billion membership fees. As of September 2024, ang laki ng revenue niya, right? Both these companies offers amazing products and services. Alam niyo po ba that they don't have what LiveGood has? Ano kaya yon? LiveGood is a subscription that pays. It is a membership that pays. Ibig sabihin, while you are subscribing, while you are a part of this membership club, well, binabayaran ka. Pwede ba yon? Of course, pwede because meron naka-attach na affiliate program sa ating membership. Come to think of it, kung si Netflix nagkaroon ng affiliate program sa tingin mo, it will work for now? Hindi na. Bakit? Kasi thriving na siya. It's been there for like so many years, but with LiveGood again, we are in the perfect time. Kakaumpisa pa lang niya, so we're just getting started. Okay? Now, what are the benefits of being a LiveGood member or an affiliate? Simple lang. Nadidiscuss natin kanina, we save up to 75% of the base price compared to other brands. Nakita nyo yung price comparison natin. Again, dollar save is a dollar earned. Number 2, what is inside being a member or being an affiliate member? Magkakaroon ka ng sariling business center. At the same time, meron kang free personalized health assessment wherein you're able to check your status ng health mo. And while you are checking them, while you will answer those questions, nandyan si Dr. Ryan who will give recommendations. Ano ba ang kailangan mong supplements? And take note, we need a supplement because supplementation is non-negotiable. Number 3, we had 3 replicated website. Again, we have a business center. Meron kang corporate site, retail site, power landing page na gagamitin mo sa business mo. Doon sa affiliate program na meron sa membership club natin, the corporate site is wherein you could see the products, and if you decide to be a member. Number 2, the retail site, in case naman na yung kakilala mo don't like to be a member but they want to try the products, you could just send your retail site. And plus, eto pa, yung pangatlo natin is a power landing page. Ito na yung tinatawag natin na franchising site. Why? Because you get to share this link sa mga tao na kagaya mo na gustong gawin ang business site or yung gustong mag-participate doon sa affiliate program. Okay? So we have commerce and drop shipping, and advantage natin. Alam nyo po ba ang advantages natin dito? Is that we don't have this mandatory buying of products. No mandatory buying, ibig sabihin na every month kailangan mong bumili. Wala na po yun. Done na po. Auto ship, ibig sabihin every month hindi dinidebit yung card mo. Just to get the products confilled. You are confilled na kumuha ng products kahit hindi mo kailangan. No team sales quota. Why? Because walang points yung ating mga products. So, hindi na nagbe-base ngayon sa point value yung mga products natin and wala tayong personal sales volume, team sales volume na kailangan i-meet every month. No flash out. Ito, I'm pretty sure familiar ito sa mga network marketers na you are being controlled sa mga taong ipapasok mo when you do the business side, right? And no personal sales again. Kagaya yan ng team sales quota. Iba yung sales ng team at iba rin yung personal sales mo na usually yun ang nagpapahirap doon sa traditional multi-level marketing model. So those are the advantages of being a Live Good affiliate member. Okay? Ano pa? Again, we could buy the products whenever you wanted, whenever you need it, or many buy in bulk. Okay din lang yon. You don't buy, okay lang din. It's so easy. It's so simple for the everyday people. Now, the good news is when you become a part of our team, Dreams Makers Worldwide, ang ating mother team, usually meron tayo mga special trainings na kung kinukuha mo ang mga trainings sa labas, ito ngayon ang magagastos mo. Kunin mo ang Strong Mindset training sa labas that will cost you around 5,000 pesos or even more. Mastery training sa labas that will cost 5,000 or more. Another trainings, technical training, probably ganun din, 5,000 pesos, and unlimited prospecting trainings, 5,000 pesos uli, or even more. Ngayon, kapag sinamatotal mo ang mga trainings na yan na kailangan natin sa business, of course, we also have to grow as our business grow. Pag tinotal mo yan, that will cost you around 20,000 pesos. But dito sa ating team, that is absolutely free. So, nagbibigay po tayo ng mga different trainings dyan kasama na sa pagiging affiliate member mo, okay? Yan, powerful, hindi ho ba? Again, free trainings and we have a community. We help each other. We collaborate each other or because we believe that we are a team. And together, sabi nga ng team, ang meaning nun is together everyone achieve more. So we have a very good community because we are helping each other. So we are doing the business online by using our cell phone or our laptop. Nako, kung talagang smart yung phone mo, dapat napapakinabangan natin yan sa business. Otherwise, hindi smart ang phone mo. Kung hindi ka magbi-business, hindi ba? Also, ito na yung next slide. Jeanette. Jen RG, dami mo nang sinabi how to become a Live Good affiliate member. Simple lang, magkano kaya ang sabi mo na Jen RG may affiliate program dyan. So, ibig sabihin, may negosyo tayo. At kapag may negosyo, syempre may puhunan. Oh, ready na ba kayo? Kung magkano ang puhunan, eto na. We have a one-time lifetime affiliate fee, $40. One-time lifetime affiliate ka na for only $40 lifetime, one time. Forever? So, kung sa walang forever, sa Live Good meron. Yan, $40 plus the yearly subscription fee of $99.95. Why are we promoting this? Well, for you to be able to be stress-free. And to have a discount, pag tinotal mo yan, it's $139.95. You save $20 po kasi pag 1 year yung subscription ninyo. And that's like about 1,000 plus. Pamalengke na rin po yan. Pag kinonvert mo yan sa pesos, that's roughly around 8,400 pesos. Yes, 8,400 pesos for an international business, for a global business. Saan ka makakakita ng negosyo ng 8,400 lang ang puhunan? Yes, sinasabi ko lang because ang pinag-uusapan natin is an international global business. And 200 countries. Ano kaya ang itsura ng traditional business mo sa puhunan na 8,400 peso? Like halimbawa, food cart business, halimbawa sari-sari store. I don't know kung anong magiging itsura noon kung gagamitin mo yan as capital with Live Good. Para kang may franchise but we are not talking about millions. We're talking about a global business na literal. Now, since in 200 countries na tayo, because we use the power of leverage. Ibig sabihin, isang tao na napapajoin mo, well, ito pa yon. Kahit na natutulog ka, pwede kang kumita. Yes, you can earn while you sleep. That is true because again, we use the power of leverage when we multiply our time through others. The good news is ito na. We have these 7 ways to earn. Yes, sa LeapGood, we earn income in 7 ways from matrix commission to matching bonuses, weekly, fast start commissions, diamond bonus pool, customer acquisition bonuses, retail commissions, and influencer bonuses na itatako natin one by one. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Okay, makinig paano yan. Unang-una ang matrix commission. Paano yan? Well, we have a team building structure na 2 by 12 spots are filled from top to bottom on a first come, first serve basis. Dalawa ang ating frontline. Paano yan, Jeanette na Jen RJ, yung matrix commission? Look at our matrix 3. 2 by 12, kung makikita nyo, level 1 is 2, level 2 is 4, powered by 2 yan. So, dire-diretso, i-multiply mo lang yan, we will be until level 15. But as we start sa level 12, lang muna tayo mag-uumpisa. So, ang potential income natin when we are starting, when we are on rank, is $2,047.50. Potential income, possibility, yung pwede mong kitain. At kapag napuno na yung ating matrix, okay? Don't misquote me. Ang sabi ko po, may condition niya na kapag puno na yung ating matrix. That will be your potential income. Ayun, so how does this matrix 3 works? We will be concentrating on the matrix 3. Ikaw yung enroller and then well, you got excited na i-share mo sa dalawang friends mo itong nakakatuwa. Kapag share mo sa dalawang friends mo, yes, dalawa lang, alam mo nyo po ba na magra-rank up ka right away sa bronze? So, first rank natin, so that is your enroller. Ito yung enroller mo and this is you. In-enroll ka niya and of course, another friends of him and then ito ang nakakatuwa sa Matrix 3. Tingnan nyo ha, since we have 2 front lines lang, yung enroller mo kapag aggressive siya, now since power of 2, saan pupunta ngayon yung pangatlo na direct niya? It will be under that person who is already there. So, for example, ikaw yung nasa first front line and aggressive yung enroller. So, yung pangatlo niya, it will be filled sa'yo. Well, the good news is that dito sa Matrix 3, it works that there are times that spillover works. So, it's a bonus. Now, ito maganda sa Matrix 1 for every member who has paid their monthly subscription na worth $10, you will earn 25 cents regardless kung nasaan sila sa matrix mo. So, granted na ikaw yung enroller. Assuming lang na ikaw yung enroller and then ito yung laman ng matrix mo regardless kung anong level yan. May 25 cents ka for us as long as nagbabayad sila ng $10 per month. That is their subscription na when you have 40 members or affiliates. So, sa organization mo, ito ang good news. 0.25 times for 40 na nasa organization mo, done ka na with the $10. Meaning, hindi issue yung $10 ng monthly subscription. Because ito nga, pinapakita dito na once you accumulated 40, whether direct or hindi, basta napunta sa matrix mo, then you get 25 cents, but it does not stop there, you know? Pag kinompute natin yung $10, 600 pesos yan per month, I mean conversion ng pesos. Now, when you have 1,000 members or affiliates, i-multiply lang natin yan 25 times 1,000, that will be like $250 US dollars. We paid in US dollars, so that like 15,000 peso, okay? Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Are you getting it? So, medyo magpo-post lang tayo for you to internalize yung explanation natin dito at para digest nyo. Para ma-digest. nyo, paano explain yan? Okay, so again, hindi po issue yung monthly subscription na $10 for as long as you really understood how we gonna work this out. Now, ito po yung sa Matrix Commission. Ang good news is that pag nagra-rank up ka na, o open yung gateway. So, remember, pag nag-rank up ka hanggang level 12, once you rank up to bronze and silver, open na yung level 13 mo. Another additional 8,192 na members pag puno yung matrix mo. So, potential income will be $4,095. $4,095.50. Gold and Platinum open uli ang level 14 mo. So, ang potential income dyan is 8,196.50. And I'm talking about the full matrix. Pag napuno yung matrix mo, uunahan na kita. Question, Janet Nadjun RJ, kailan mapupuno yung matrix? We'll never know, but this is the potential income. So, if you want na bumilis yung matrix mo, you have to work it out. You have to follow the system. Now, once you reach diamond na open yung level 15 mo, that gives you a potential income na $16,383.50. Again, these are potential income, meaning ito yung possibility na pwede mong kitain once na napuno yung matrix. Ngayon, indefinite ang pagpuno ng matrix. Depende yun sa atin kung paano natin tatrabahuhin. So, it requires teamwork para mag-work yung matrix. Mabilis or mabagal, okay. Ayan, second way to earn is the matching bonus. So, simple lang po siya. Example, that is you. Now, for every person or every referral na meron ka, ang sinasabi sa matching bonus, dahil direct mo siya, we will be giving you 50% na matrix pay ng direct mo. Again, 50% na matrix pay or matrix income ng direct mo. So, for example, yan yung first direct mo. Masipag, naka-accumulate na yon ng $1,000 ng matrix pay niya or matrix income. Yung 25 cents dahil masipag siya, may matrix siya doon. 1,050% of that is how much? $500. Masipag ka, hindi ka huminto sa first direct mo. Meron kang pinag-sharean uli ng isang kaibigan at naka-accumulate yung kaibigan mo, your second referral, ng $600. 50% of that, how much? Of course, 300. Of course, 300. Pangatlo, third referral, part-time, $300 ang kanyang matrix pay. 50% of which, $150 and the fourth, $100. Pumipitik-pitiks lang siya. 50% of that is $50. So, sa apat na yan, ito po ang inyong income. Tumataginting na $1,000 or 60,000 pesos. And it gets better, that's a matching bonus. You could refer as many as you want. Unlimited, limitless. Now, ito ngayon. Again, hindi ka limited sa direct. Ang nakakatuwa is hindi ka limited din sa matching bonus dahil meron tayong generational bonus. So, nag-uumpisa ang generational bonus once na na-promote ka sa silver rank. So, once you are promoted to silver, meron kang additional 10% sa first and second generation mo. Your first is your direct, your second generation is your direct mo. Okay, so merong additional 10% sa gold rank, additional 5% hanggang third generation sa platinum rank, merong additional 5% hanggang fourth generation platinums, and sa diamond rank, additional 3% up to your fifth generation. Ibig sabihin yan, for you to be able to maximize the matching bonus, kailangan mag-rank up ka. Again, you have to follow the system, which is duplication. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pagdating dito, binabayaran ka multiple times actually, even up to 11 times sa isang tao. Now, I wouldn't be explaining that because later on, malalaman nyo din yan as you go along. This is a business overview. So, pinapakita natin how you gonna earn this, how you gonna earn their matching bonuses and the generational bonus. Okay? Ayan, third way to earn, weekly pastor commission. Paano yan? Well, obviously, weekly, linggo-linggo natin yan makukuha for every direct referral. Meron kang 50% commissions or $25 each person na i-refer mo. 1,500 pesos or depende sa exchange ng dollars. Again, you can refer unlimited directs, no limit, unlimited, limitless, sumasarap mag-direct because every direct meron kang $25. So, for example, you have 10 na direct referrals, how much will you earn? 10 times 25, that's $250. And kayo na po ang mag-compute kung magkano yan. Ganun lang po kasimple ang ating weekly fast start commission. Now, ito maganda as we rank up habang nag-advance ka or rank up mo, remember 50% yung first level mo sa mga directs mo, right? Right? That's your first level. Once you reach bronze, remember yung bronze kanina, 2 people na dinala mo. Now, open yung second level mo which is an additional 10%. That is $5 each. Now, the second rank after bronze is silver. Dagdagan mo lang yung bronze mo ng isa and then accumulate 20 members. Kasama po yung 3 bronzes na affiliate ninyo. Now, when you have that, you are eligible for the third and fourth level na fast start commissions. That makes 5% or $2.50. It does not stop there. Dahil ang rank na susunod ay gold rank. You'll only need to convert your bronzes, affiliates into silvers plus a total team of 100 and open ulit yung gateway mo for the 5th, 6th level fast start commissions. That makes 3 to and 2% $1.50 and $1. Hindi pa ulit nagtatapos dyan dahil meron pang susunod na rank which is platinum rank. I-convert mo lang yung 3 silver mo into gold plus a total team ng 500 kasama dyan yung 3 gold rank mo. Of course, it will open the gateway of the 7th level and the 8th level ng yung fast start commission. That makes 2% and 1% the $1.50. Sa 8th level mo, now we got to the diamond rank, convert mo lang yung 3 gold rank mo into the 3 platinum and a total team members of 2,500. Mau-open ulit yung 9th and 10th level mo, additional. 1% or 50 cents. Oh my God, ang haba. Ibig sabihin nito, sa fast start commission up to ilang levels up to 10 levels deep. Ang pwede mong kitain as long as nag-advantage ka sa iyong position all rank. Ibig sabihin nito, action takers are being rewarded by Live Good. So it is very fair. It is not about who is nauna, who is na huli. It is all about who took action, okay? Tatandaan nyo yan. It is all about those people who took action. Are you too late for Live Good? No, you're just getting started. And the fourth way to earn, you have Diamond Bonus Full na nagbe-base ito sa membership payments, subscription fees, and all products purchases. So for example, paano makukuha ang Diamond Bonus Full? Granted na meron $10 million na nanggaling sa 3 yan, get the 2% of that. So magkano? And 2% ng 10 million, that's $200,000. Divided among diamonds sa company. So given this example, ganun din sa Crown Diamond rank. Bonus Full, it gets even bigger kasi 0.5%. And we know na tatatlo pa lang ang ating Crown Diamond dito. We have Tim Miller, our very own Coach Fernand Santiago, and one from Kazakhstan. Nagbe-base ulit tayo, assuming na $10 million yung sale natin, 0.5% of that makes $50,000 divided equally among those 3 Crown Diamonds. Ganun din po sa magbabari po yan. Depende sa sales natin for the month. So, good news is so gross, kinukuha hindi sa net. Now, for you to say na ang Diamond Bonus Full It divided equally among all diamonds of our 3 diamonds leaders, Coach Rex Campana, Coach Judah Jorda, and Coach Harold Pangan. So, ito yung screenshot ng kanilang mga income. And if you notice, iba-iba yung kanilang matrix commission, matching bonuses, retail commissions, but with the diamond bonus fully isa po. That makes 2,288.15. Ano yun? Noong January 2024. Again, nagbabary po yan. Ang amount ng diamond bonus pool pero equally divided among all the diamonds. Whether kaka-diamond mo lang or matagal ka ng diamond. Okay. Now we have the fifth customer acquisition. Bonuses, customer acquisition bonuses. Alam nyo po, hindi natin pinagkakakitaan ang mga purchases ng downline natin. Livegood is so generous na sa first purchase ng downline natin. We are given the customer acquisition bonuses. So, paano mangyayari yan? It follows the structure ng fast start and fast start commissions and retail commissions. Again, pag unrank ka, 50%. Pag nagra-rank up ka, na-open yung second level mo, yung level mo, yun. Bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, up to 10 levels din po siya. So, for example, ito yung account po ninyo and you purchase these 3 products first time. So, customer acquisition is being paid quickly kasama ng ating fast start commissions and number 6 retail commissions. Paano naman yan, Najin RJ? Well, obviously, retail nanggagaling yan sa sales sa mga may hilig yan magbenta. Although, we don't encourage, you are not compelled, hindi ka inuobliga na magbenta, pero meron yung mga instances na yung mga tao, yung mga friends natin gustong mag-try muna, gustong bumili muna. So, we give them the retail price sa back office natin. We have the retail site that is the ShopeeFood.com and the username. Papupuntahin mo lang sila doon, hindi ka mamumuhunan. Ito ang good news, hindi ka mamumuhunan. Just send them to your retail site, okay? Gusto mo ng Coffee Mars? Pupunta ka doon sa retail site ko and then add to cart and then bayaran mo na. So, convenience. Hindi ka nagdadala, nagdi-deliver, hindi ka nag-aabono, and yet you can earn weekly din po yan. That's the good thing about our retail commission. And habang nagra-rank up ka, again hanggang 10 levels deep din yung ating retail commission. 7th way to earn the influencer bonuses. If you are so active in the social media, pwede mong i-promote ang mga products natin from TikTok to Facebook to Instagram to Snapchat. Lahat ng maisip mong social media platform, di ba? So we have 2,500 starting natin. When you have the 2,500 sales for the month, that's an additional 10% commission, making it a total of 60%. Nasaan yung 50%? Hindi ba yung retail commission po yon? Yun po yun. Now, when you accumulate $50,000 retail sales for the month, additional 50% yan, that makes 100%. As your influencer bonus is very fair, diba? Actually, very generous. So, you see the system is so simple and so doable and duplicatable. We just have to immerse ourselves. The company is so generous. Actually, 80% ang binibigay sa distributors. 20%, again, very lean lang yung profit. So, the income here is really huge and profitable. Yan. Now, ito po ang good news. Actually, bonus na po ito sa ating presentation. I would like to present to you that in Dreams Makers Worldwide, meron po tayong game plan. In 2025, since itong presentation na to is for those who wanted to do the business side, kaya tinawag na po natin na affiliate marketing presentation. So with the DMW want to produce 100 diamonds this year, and we have this game plan ngayon 2025. We have a system wherein we get to develop, to duplicate, and to build ngayon Paano yung program na yan na GNRG? Okay, ito po. Get 3 and 7 weeks up to 7 months to become diamond. Why are we talking about diamonds? Dahil pag diamonds, nandyan na yung diamond bonus pool. So sabi nga natin, when you reach gold, it's the sweet spot. It's the sweet spot. Platinum is the life-changing. But when you reach the diamond rank, right, that's freedom. So, paano yan, Ajin RJ? That's you. First week, you really want to do this business. Get 3, the serious ones. Kagaya mo, kasing galing mo, kasing sipag mo, may pangarap, gustong mabago ang buhay. So, that's 3. Then, bronze ka. You get 50% of which magkano yan? 50% the faster, that makes $75. Now, second week, perfect. I-perfect duplicate na lang yan. So, yung first referral mo, kukuha ng 3. Second referral mo, kukuha ng 3. Third referral mo, kukuha ng 3. That makes 9 on your organization. So, 10% ka dahil nasa second level mo sila. That makes $45 third week. Perfect duplication lang. That makes 27 additional affiliates. Magkano yan? Silver rank. nag-rank up ka sa silver, additional 5%. That gives you $67.50. Kayo na po ang mag-compute niyan. On the fourth week, another perfect duplication that makes 81 in your organization, additional 5% na meron kang $202.50. Fifth week, 81 yung 3 legs mo, 200 a total of 243. 243 that will give you, or that makes you rank up gold rank. Additional 3%, 364.50 ang iyong past start commissions. On the 6th week, 243 tatlong lines, that makes 729 in your organization. Platinum affiliate ka na po niyan. Additional 2%, magkano yan? $729. And on the 7th week, pag na perfect duplicate siya, that will give you 2,187 plus yung mga nauna po dyan. Once you reach that stage, you are a diamond. Congratulations! You're roughly ang income ng diamond, pag na-perfect duplicate natin yan, nasa $5,000. And we are talking about the past start commissions pala. Now, na GNRG, parang nakaka-pressure yan. Kaya ko ba yan 7 weeks? Okay, let's try 7 months. Gawin nating palitan lang natin yung month, the same figures. Pwede pa rin, hindi po ba? Now, the good news is hindi dyan nagtatapos. So, because we are only talking about past start commissions, ito naman ngayon. So, sa matrix income, ano yung potential income mo dyan once na magkaroon ng perfect duplication sa first, second, third referral mo? 273 each, ikaw yan. So, paano naging 819.25? Ba't gano'n? 173. Okay. It's ikaw yan. So, paano naging 819.25? 273 times 3, yan to make it simple. Matching bonus is 50%, di ba? Naalala nyo, 50% na matrix P ng iyong direct referral, meron 50%. Meron kang 409.50. That's 50% of 800, 819.25. Ano yan? 819.25. A total of 1,228.75 sa iyong potential matrix incomes once na perfect duplicate siya. Okay, that's all guys. So bye for now. Guys. So hope na naintindihan nyo na ang Live Good, and please free to message me if you want to join and be part of affiliate na Live Goods. So So, naipaliwanag ko na lahat dito ang about Live Good at kung sino-sino ang mga nagmamay-ari ng ating Live Good business at syempre ang products ng Live Good at compensation plan ng Live Good. Kung paano tayo kikita kay Live Good. Remember guys, walang negosyong hindi pinaghihirapan or wala kang gagawin. Kaya palagi nating isipin at isapuso na ang pagiging madiskarte at masipag at matyaga sa trabaho man or negosyo ay masarap makamtan ang tagumpay kapag ginawa mo ang best mo at effort talaga guys. So good luck and God bless everyone. Have a great and wonderful blessed day always. Bye for now and see you at the top.